Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today it's super crazy, okay? I think my hacker of my first account is online. Like seriously, I think that. So, she didn't change anything from my avatar. That's what I know. Yes, I'm in love with a girl on here. So, as far as I know, I'm called like something like Lizzie Play. Something like Lizzie Plays MSP. Okay. I think it was. Oh my god, I remember. Lizzie Plays MSP. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can guys see, hey, I'm Lizzie. I love my pet Elliot. He's so cute, single. Okay, so as you can see, this is my account, and the hacker didn't change my style like at all. It's like the same. So what we gotta do now is just send her a friend request and wait till she accepts. Oh my god, guys. So it's been like 20 minutes and she actually accepted my friend request. Like she changed nothing. She didn't change my outfit. She didn't change my status. Let me look at the room. Did she change my room? No, she didn't change my room. This is her pet. Well, my pet. And then did she change my... No, she didn't. Yeah, she changed the kitchen, but she didn't change the garden. I was VIP on that account. So did she change the party room? No, so she didn't change anything, which really wonders me except for the garden. So let's see, let's write her. Hey! Hey, let's just write her hey and see what she reacts, you know? So, hey! Hi. From where did you get this cool account? So what is she saying? Created it? Wow, that's funny. A my friend from mine was called slash Lizzie Plays MSP as well. That's weird. Yeah. Just okay, wait, so we're gonna ask her to be BFFs now. Okay. Okay, she answered, guys. So, just remember, you can tell me anything, bestie. I won't report. And then we'll do little heart. Anything? Yup. Anything. Oh, what the fuck, girl? Oh my god, she actually said it. Look. Hey, hi. From where did you get this cool account? Created it. Wow, that's funny. I had a friend from mine. Ah, ha ha ha. Wow, that's funny, haha. A friend from mine was called Lizzie Plays MSP as well. That's weird. Yeah, just know you can tell me anything, bestie. I won't report you. Anything? Yep, anything. This is not my account. Okay. Carry on. What is she doing, guys? I packed it. She means hack, guys. Oh my god. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna pretend like we're so cool. And then, okay. So we're gonna try to hack back into Lizzie Plays MSP. Because it's my account! Okay, so we're just gonna chat with her again. And she's offline. So now we just gotta wait until she's online. Okay, so guys, it's the next day and she's still not online, which wonders me. So we're gonna wait like 5 more minutes, and if she doesn't come online, like, I think this is a screw up video. Wow, guys, she actually turned online. So, we're gonna try to get her password. For that, we have to go to her profile. I know just a way, okay? And then we have to send her a gift. What? Okay, so we have to send her a gift. Doesn't have to be, it could just be any gift, but we have to send her 3 gifts. So I'm just gonna send her the really bad gifts I got from Upgrade. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Okay, so we send her 2 gifts. 1 more and then we're done. So, now we gave her the gift. Okay, we gave her the gifts, so that means I just have to do 1 more thing, which she'll provide my. Okay, so then you just have to create a look of her. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like seriously any look. I don't really care, man. Doesn't have to be a perfect look or anything. And the next steps I'm gonna keep secret because I just don't want people to find out how hacking goes. So if you would respect that, that would be great. Okay, so we're basically just gonna create anything right now out of the things that she has. It can also look like super disgusting. Like some kind of, like this. It doesn't have to look good. And then you have to call it, what was it again? Okay, wait, so I'm just gonna copy the code. Okay, guys, and don't think you can also use this code, because for every user, it's a different code. This is the code for me, and then I'll create the look. And that's literally like all you have to do. After that, you have to diddle the look. And now I'm going to start hacking, so I'll see you later. Okay, guys, so this must be her new password, and we're just going to log in and find out if it's true. So, guys, that other password I was just trying was wrong. Just So just let me type it in again. So this is the same password I typed in before. See? So the other password must be, if it's not this, okay. Oh my god, guys. We're in our old freaking account. Man, this feels so weird. To be like in an account you haven't been in for. Why do I have so many gifts that I haven't opened? Okay, so sorry. Okay, we're just gonna style myself new because my sense of fashion was not that good. So we're gonna turn into a gray one. The beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Okay, so we have a bit of money to spend. And I'm gonna buy some new hair. I think I'm gonna buy this hair just in black. So first of all, let me dress up with that hair. And then we can close this. Oh, I don't want to become a VIP. No thank you. And then we'll go to shop. Why do I have so many gifts? Okay, clothing. Okay, guys. So, let me just search the hair and I'll come back to you. Okay, so guys, I've actually found it after a very long search. And trust me, if I say very long, I mean very long. And just the only thing now I want to do is that I really want to get a new top. Okay. Okay, we're really low on. Okay, shh. That was so loud. Okay, so we're really low on money now, but it's totally worth it. So, I love it. And then we'll say, well, and then what I just want to do is I want to walk with my pet that I unfortunately named Elliot. And I think I didn't even have this pet. So she actually updated my status because when I was playing, this pet wasn't even available. So that means she bought me a new pet and she updated my status. So, guys, this is awesome. So I'm just gonna play a little random here and then I'll. Okay, so guys, I was just playing randomly until I wanted to, just go to my room, and this girl called /Lizzie Pack level 0. I think she's a new joiner. She's a starter from her thing. Made me a friend request. So, and guys, I actually think this is the girl packed my account. So I'm just gonna friend her because now she can't pack it anymore. I verified my email. She can't do that anymore. So I have her as a friend right now. Let's see if she writes me. Okay, guys, it's been like 3 minutes again. And she wrote, "You packer. You pack my account first, so don't say anything." Okay, guys, definitely clear that. Lizzie Pack is that girl that packed. Don't say anything. I was the friend which this account was of. You're so dumb. Just telling me that you hacked this. Okay, so you packed my account first, so don't say anything. I was the friend that this account was of. You're so dumb just telling me that you hacked